Virginia at the center of book challenges over the past year, and now a judge has dismissed a lawsuit that hoped to declare two books too obscene for children. Fox 5's Maureen Ume is live this morning in McLean with the latest developments. Maureen, good morning.
Good morning. This was based on really an arcane Virginia law when it pertained to reading materials and books. And so some groups of people were hoping that they can use it in this case to get two books banned that they thought were too obscene for children. Of course, the judge saying no, dismissing that case yesterday. Let's show you the books that we're talking about right here. The two in particular, Gender Queer, a memoir by Maya Kabebe, and A Court of Mist and Fury by Sarah Matz. Both books describe or illustrate sexual acts, and that is what prompted the lawsuit by a man named Tommy Altman, who was a Republican congressional candidate in the Virginia Beach area. He also owned a tattoo parlor. Both books illustrate sexual acts, as I said, and Altman asked the court to issue an order under state law against distributing, selling, or loaning those books to minors. Yesterday, a circuit court judge named Pamela Baskerville struck the lawsuit down, citing state law and also the U.S. Constitution. Baskerville wrote that Virginia law does not give her the specific authority to determine whether the books are obscene for minors. The judge also described concerns about prosecuting someone who didn't know that they were selling or loaning books that were deemed to be obscene. The judge's order comes at a time, as you might recall, when book challenges and bans have really surged across the country and really in Virginia here, which has been the front lines. Excuse me, you'll recall that Governor Glenn Youngkin, in becoming the governor of Virginia, really was sort of at the forefront of this, using that as a flashpoint for his campaign. And so right now, again, the judge dismissing this. Tony Ottman, who filed this case, says he's not done yet. He might actually file another lawsuit, says right now he'd like to see maybe a rating system on books, much like you see on movies and music. But again, this might be over for now, but Altman says left to him, it's not. We'll have to see how this one, again, plays out. Back to you.